Okay. Yes.
I want to put it against the side of the rock, though, straight to myself.
What are you doing?
Parkour!
You're just making shit up, aren't you?
Parkour!
What?
You're just making shit up.
What I just said?
No. Put that where it's supposed to go. Okay, take it out of there. Place it same side of the kayak. See that little groove right beside your waist on the outside? Fuck.
This thing?
Yeah, there we go. Now put the paddle down in that groove where that elastic band is.
On it? Through it?
Just put it down on it. I don't care. Okay, now pull that elastic band around the pole. Now pull the elastic band. Really suck at listening. There you go.
Oh my god! And don't I need to put this in the other end though? That's not, that just holds it together.
Well, you gotta slide it towards the rear a little bit more. There you go. And get out. Oh, there's people there.
I'm here for just your view.
I can see that.